I am Claire Manspile. I am an assurance partner here at YHB on the nonprofit team. I have been working with Inflo since the very beginning of our journey. We started with the methodology task force back over a year ago and exploring different platforms. And now I am the internal champion here at YHB for Inflo and run our whole process internally.
I'm Hannah Scates, Senior Manager on our Financial Services team here at YHB. Been working with Inflo for about 7 months now, and I'm part of the Inflo Champion Group.
So when we started using Inflo, we wanted to make sure that our teams got into the platform as early as possible. So we worked with a developer to use the API function to get our clients set up and our engagement set up so that even prior to training, we could get our teams into the system and ready to go as soon as they could.
So when we were training and onboarding, John A. and her team came in. They worked with us for a couple of days. We went through a lot of real life examples. It was overall just very good experience, very helpful, always open to all the questions that we had. And even since then, there's been several conversations we've had with her, just following up and making sure we understand how everything goes.
My favorite feature so far within the Inflo platform would honestly be the knowledge base. I love having the Inflo Academy. We really encouraged or required our teams to go through Inflo Academy prior to training and onboarding. And then now the Inflo Know portal and knowing all of that information as well as the release hub so we know what's coming. Inflo doesn't make changes twice a year. They make changes every 2 weeks. So we know what's on the docket and what's coming in the future.
My favorite part of the platform has probably been the SharePoint, being able to have everything with Excel, Word documents, PDFs. You're able to all edit everything just online, and it avoids any sync conflicts. You're able to be in the document at the same time as other people, and overall, it just kind of makes the audit process a lot smoother. As far as how Inflow has made our lives easier, just being an online platform, not having to take several hours to sync out a file, we're able to collaborate a lot easier with all of our teams. I think it just makes everything super helpful and right there available for everybody.
One of the most amazing things that has come out of this implementation with Inflo is really the collaboration between our teams. We've got a lot of niche groups and niche focused teams, and it's forced us internally to meet and to talk amongst ourselves in terms of best practices, what we're doing, what's working, and really kind of push that out to our teams. And then I think our clients are even feeling that in our consistency and everything. So I think it's been great.
Yep, I would agree. I mean, I don't think we've ever met so much as a team before. Previously we have the financial services team, we have our nonprofit team, and we're now meeting every 2 weeks and we're talking to each other a lot more, how they handle this, how we handle that. And overall, I think it's just making our audits go a lot smoother. The support has been incredible. John A. and her team, I know Tom meets with us frequently. Anytime we have questions or concerns, they don't hesitate to hop on a call, meet with us. And we also are meeting with, they coordinate some FI specific niche groups that we're able to collaborate with other audit firms that are kind of experience the same issues that we're going through.
Yeah, I think Inflo recognized coming into the US market, really pulling people together. So not only are we collaborating with our teams, but getting the champions group together and the niche group focused groups together has been very helpful. And we reach out, good or bad, to the Inflo team. And I think we've got a relationship with so many people at Inflo that want to make it right and want to answer our questions and are quick to involve everyone to get solutions to us when we need them. So currently we are using work papers, of course, to do the audit. We also are using Collaborate with our clients and then the ingest module. We've dabbled in the other modules, but really looking forward to jumping into Revenue Cascade, Detect, Explore. We have a task force here at YHB that's looking to see the best use of those cases for our clients and how we can push that out, because really that's the value that's going to be added with the implementation of Inflo and how we can better serve our clients. My advice to firms that are looking into Inflo or beginning their journey of implementation is to be open-minded. Change is not easy. It is a process to implement a new software and new methodology. Inflo support is here to listen and hear your feedback. If that's one thing that has really made this transition easier, it's you're open. Inflo is open to the feedback, and making it the best platform that they can. And I promise in 12 to 18 months, it's a lot better than where we've been in the past. So I look forward to it.
Yeah, I would agree. Change is always rough. So be proactive with it. Identify those people in your firm that are going to be your key decision makers and put them in front of all the questions you have and just get those answers out as soon as possible. And hopefully that makes your process go a little smoother.